In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can allow message requests from everyone here on Instagram so that anyone can message you even if they don't follow you. Before we do dive into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device and tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right corner, and then tap those three lines up in the top right corner. And what you're going to want to do is actually scroll down until you see the settings and privacy option, specifically the messages and story reply settings, just like so. Open that up, and up at the very top you're going to see an option for message requests. Go ahead and select that, and from here you want to select everyone if you want anyone on Instagram to be able to measure you, even people who don't necessarily follow you. You can also scroll down to adjust the group messages request and set it to everyone as well, but that's completely up to you. And after doing so, all you have to do is back out of this setting, go back to the home section and select your messages up at the top, and then select request, and you'll be able to see who has sent you messages. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.